Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, let's learn how to fix Zenless Zone Zero crashing on your mobile. So first of all, if you would like to fix your app crashing in your mobile, what you have to do is clear the background apps. For example, when you're using this application, make sure that no other application is running in the background. All you have to do is close all the application and use this Zen application. Now, what you have to do is head over to your Play Store and see if your application is updated or not. So search for the application's name. If you see update, then tap on update. Now your phone might also cause crashing of this application if the requirements are not met. For example, you have to ensure that you have 20 GB of the free storage space because this application takes a lot of space, and your memory spikes and device overheating are the most common causes of your mobile crashes. So if you are facing that problem still, even if you have a lot of space in your mobile, long tap onto the game itself, tap on the eye icon, and time and again you can come back to this page, tap storage, clear the cache. Now once you've done that, you're going to have to tap on force stop, tap OK. Now once done, all you have to do is restart your device, then launch a game, and it should hopefully fix your problem. Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix action not available in your Roblox. First of all, get logged into your Roblox account, then tap on 3 icon. Then here you're going to have to tap on settings. Then select account info. Now as you do that, make sure that your email address is, let's say, verified. If you see unverified here, you're going to have to simply confirm your email address and verify it. But once you have done that, go back and this time tap on privacy and content restrictions. At this page, select content maturity. Then make sure this is set to minimal. Now go back and under this visibility and private servers, also make sure this is set to friends and visibility is set to everyone and everyone for current experiences. Now as you do that, all you have to do is go back, restart your device, and once you do that, go ahead, use your Roblox and it will fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you might need to uninstall Roblox and reinstall again, and that will clear the app's data and cache. Then you will be able to use the feature and the something went wrong will not be shown to you. Thank you for watching. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, let's learn how to fix Android phone calls directly going to voicemail. So for that, you're going to have to launch your settings app and you will see a search button, tap onto it. Here, simply type in call forwarding and scroll below. You will see call forwarding under supplementary services. So you're going to have to tap on call forwarding. In my case, I have 2 SIM cards, so that is why you're seeing 2 options for both the menus. So once this loads up, you're going to have to tap on call forwarding. And once you have made the settings for call forwarding for one SIM, come back to another SIM card and you will also see here call forwarding. You're going to have to tap onto it and make sure that you make the settings for these 2 SIM. So as this is loading up, let's go ahead, tap on call forwarding. Then tap on voice calls, or if you would like to do it for your video calls, go ahead, tap on video calls. Now as you do that, you will see always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, or forward when unreachable. Make sure that you remove your number. In my case, I don't have my number. That is why it is saying no number set. So make sure that you have no number here. If you have your number, go ahead and remove it. And do the same for your other SIM card as well. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide the Reel tab in your Facebook app. So as you can see that I have this Reel tab right here. You're going to have to simply go on the reel itself. Now right here, long tap onto the reel. Then you can either turn off the notification dots or simply select hide from tab bar. Now as you do that, you're going to have to refresh your page a couple of times, close the application, and then restart your device, launch your Facebook application again, and that will be hidden. And that is how easy it is. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will catch up in our next upload.